Today I will present 3 great investment tools which are needed for each investor who want to achieve double-digit yearly returns. Please guys, subscribe and let's start. The first tool of today is an amazing website, nameinvesting.com. This website provides you a tons of information. Everything is completely for free. So let's see. You can first of all choose which is the nationality you are keen on. So if you're English, if you're French, if you're Italian, each different nationality has its own website. But let's suppose we are Americans, so you're keen on US version of this website. We can choose US and then we can look at the main index, how they are performing, and we can see at the news. Precisely, let's look at the economic calendar. This is an amazing tool because for each day it provides you which are the most important upcoming data, when they are expected to arrive, and which is the expected impact that it will have on the reference market, which is the forecast of the analyst, and which was the previous data for this specific macroeconomic event. After that, you can choose each possible stock. Let's take Apple for example, and it provides you a ton of informations, both fundamental and technical. So you can look at technical analysis and it provides you a number of indicators. Even more, you can look at the chart and you can play with it. You simply can add the indicators which are more relevant for you, like for example Connor RSI, or for example the zigzag and Boiler Band, and everything appears out easily on your graph. This is extremely fascinating even because you can choose the frequency of the observation you're more keen on. Finally, you can even download the returns. Simply, all you have to do is to choose the data you are more keen on. For example, let's look at Apple. You go on historical data and you select the reference interval you're keen on, and after that all you have to do is to press the download data button and you are done. Amazing, isn't it? The second investment tool I'm presenting today is Yahoo Finance. This is an old website, but still active and popular. You can find almost every US and European security here, and you can download the historical returns at daily, monthly, and weekly frequency. For example, let's choose Apple. Now, what we observe is that it's possible to download historical data, choose the interval we care, for example 3 months, apply and download. We are done. Our data are saved in a CSV file, ready to be analyzed. The third tool of the day is the World Bank Open Database. This database is less known than the previous one, but here you can find a tons of macroeconomic data and financial data which are entirely for free. Let's, for example, choose an indicator which is of our interest. It could be something like something related to agriculture, or about aid effectiveness for poor countries which are underdeveloped, or climate change, or something which is closer to our focus of interest as investor, which is for example economy and growth. And let's see for example at the GDP, which is most obviously the most commonly employed index to assess the wealth of a nation. And when we press the button, we see at the data worldwide. After that we can choose the individual country, which is the focus of our current interest. Let's suppose that nowadays we want to control how it's developing Australia. We press the button and we have all data available up to now, which in this case means from 1960 until 2018. We can easily download the data in CSV file or in Excel file, and the data can be analyzed and employed entirely for free. Thank you for the attention. Is everything for now. Bye bye.